Hello guys, I'm Pragati Patel. I'm working in Sourcewell as a ReactJS developer. So today we will learn how to use state with the array. So firstly we will have to import the use state. So we will import the use state from the React. Okay, then we will have to make use state. So I will keep a name variable, state variable is array, and in this use state, I can put the array directly here. So firstly, we will put the array directly here, like this is my array. Then we will have to mapping. So yeah, this is looking like that. That elements are visible here. We can also uh, set the array later, like we can keep here empty array and we can set and use effect. We can set array and you can see here my all the elements looking like that. Thank you.